Hey guys, today I will be showing you how you can add music to a video or an image in Shotcut. So first you want to go to Open File, select the image you want. Okay, you're gonna click on this, drag it to the timeline, and then click. And now I'm gonna go Open File again. Okay, go to music, if that's where your music file is. Open the music you want. I'm just going to turn my sound off here, so it doesn't do that again. Hang on. Go to timeline, add audio track. So now you can see there's an audio track down here. So what you're going to do, you're going to drag this into the audio track. And it's going to say overwrite. And that's what you want to do. But now what about the video? It'll be along the timeline somewhere, wherever you've dragged it to, and you're just gonna see this arrow here that pops up when I put my mouse in there. You're gonna click and drag it to the side. And that should be your video. That worked, hopefully. Did it work? No, and now you have successfully added music to your video or your image. Just a heads up, in the timeline, when you want to add an image track in here, you can't really do that. You've got to go add video track, because your image is what the viewers are seeing, and that's going to be the video. So you're going to have to click add video track and then open file, and you drag and drop the image in if you want to add an image. Okay, so yeah, I hope this helped you out, and bye.